Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a camera shutter blur transition in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, select all your clips, then right click and choose the change clip duration and set the duration to 4 frames and click change. Then here go to edit menu and select the delete gaps to remove any spaces between clips. Then go to effects library and search for slide. Then drag the slide between the two clips. Then under the inspector panel, expand the preset and select the top down for movement direction. Then increase the blur motion and to maximum for a smoother effect. Hold Alt and drag the transition to duplicate it across the clips. Then expand and extend the duration for each transition by 1 frame for a more natural motion. And that's it. You can adjust the timing and blur intensity to match your video style. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.